Good day. My name is Akeem Olalere. Are you tired of your present job? Is your employer not paying you your salary as at when due? Or you have financial distress? Have you heard of MMM, its ideology, how it works, its rules and its benefits? MMM ideology. The main goal why Sagi Mavrodi created this financial community is to fight the unfair financial system of the world, where the rich becomes richer and the poor becomes poorer. Its aim to demolish the unfair world by making MMM to achieve financial freedom. Thanks to MMM, financial apocalypse is inevitable and unavoidable. What is MMM? People helping people. MMM is a global community of financial aid and donation exchange. MMM is a peer-to-peer system. Participants transfer donations directly to the account of other members. Assign system reward called Mavru, enjoyed by active participants and managers. MMM is not a bank, business, is not an investment, nor a company. MMM has no central account, that is, we do not transfer our money to MMM. Instead, we send our donation directly to the respective account. No promises, no guarantee. Besides, these are our donations to those participants who joined the community that need help account. There are no laws that says donations are illegal. How MMM works. MMM participants give help by transferring the money to each other directly. MMM is a community of people providing each other financial help on the principle of gratuitousness, reciprocity, and benevolence. In MMM, you don't have to make contract or pledge your property. In MMM, there are no lenders and no debtors. Everything is very simple. One participant asks for help, another one helps. The only thing that MMM demands from its participants is to be honest and kind to each other. You ask for financial help when you need it. You give financial help when you are able to do it. Provide help and get help. Provide help means to donate or give financial assistance. While get help means to ask for financial assistance or donation. How your donation works technically. You declare the willingness to give help. Click in your personal office. After PO. Provide help. After which your account will be rewarded with Mavru, which is internal currency or scores of the system. Mavrus will start growing from the moment of offering their contribution at the rate of 30% per month. That is, calculation of reward occurs twice a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 00 GMT. This sum of Mavru shows how much you can request for yourself. Example, say you have announced willingness to assist with $100. You will be rewarded in your PO with 100 Mavru, and they will immediately start growing. A month later, this 100 will become 130 Mavru. Accordingly, you'll be able to request assistance for 130 USD. However, it is not necessary at all to wait for a month. Help can be requested at any time, but only after confirmation of your Mavru. What does after confirmation mean? It means only after you actually transfer money, that is, really give assistance to another participant, but not just declare willingness. Request for providing help comes to you in your personal office. If you do not do it within 48 hours, you will be removed from the system for all eternity. In case of any matter regarding the topic, our online consultants are ready to help and answer all your questions. But not everyone, only those who have contributed their own money as well. Otherwise, the system will be pulled apart. For bonuses, they will keep registering endlessly. 1. 20 USD. If you have contributed from 50 to 499, frozen for 2 weeks. If you take it out earlier, you lose 20. For 50 USD, if you have contributed from 500 to 2099, your account will be frozen for a month. For 100 USD, 3000 and above, your account will always be frozen for a month. Once again, about freezing, bear in mind that if you take your money out earlier, you will lose the registration bonus. Only the bonus, but the contribution with all the accrued interest will be paid. Each participant is allowed to have only one account. Rules of MMM. In MMM, people are allowed only with one account. Multiple accounts are prohibited. We must be honest and be fair to all. We must be responsible for our own account. We must not cheat the system by making dummy accounts. All of the participants should be more cautious and obedient enough to obey the MMM ideology, which is helping each other. We must follow the ideology to obtain financial freedom and must help each other for the longevity of the system. Benefit of MMM. Referral bonus. You will get 10% from all deposits of the participants you invited. Inviting new members into the community is your additional contribution to its development. But nobody forced the members of the community to invite new participants. But at the same time, understanding the system MMM network can't exist without development and participants. Encouragement in the form of referral bonuses motivate many people to take an active position. Guardians bonus. Guardians of MMM community can create their own multi-level structure and get a bonus from each donation of every participant in their structures. This is a multi-level bonus. Thus, a guardian can have his own leader whose rank is higher. Guardian's bonus depends on the level in the community. You have 5%, down to 3%, down to 1%, 0.5, 0.3, and 0.01%. Long live MMM. Long live Sergey Mavrodi. Together, we can change the world. Thank you.